Hello my dear students, this is your guide and mentor for organic chemistry, Mrs. Memuna Bombewala from GPAT online coaching classes. My dear students, we are dealing with the playlist of heteroaromatic compounds and we are coming up to the first reaction of furan. That is, we are going to ask ourselves a question whether furan is a base or it is not a base, right? And the second question that we are going to answer in this video is that we are going to compare the basicity of furan with pyrrole. Pyrrole we have already discussed with respect to basicity. In our last video, we have already talked about the structure of furan and the resonating forms for the same. Now we come to the first reaction of furan, that is whether furan is a base or not. So I would say yes, furan is a base and it is a weak base. Furan is a base and it is a weak base. Furan is, yes, it is a base and it is a weak base. Now, why furan is a weak base? And who is a base? Base is a substance which can donate electrons. So if furan can donate electrons, then furan is also a base, right? Furan is also a base. Remember my dear students, in pyrrole we said that this is our pyrrole and we said that pyrrole has a pair of electron, but this pair of electron is continuously participating in resonance. Hence, this pair of electron is not very easily available for donation. Hence pyrrole is a weak base. Correct? This we have discussed in the video. Here you are seeing that in furan there are nothing but two lone pair of electrons. So you would say that yes, furan is a base and furan is a stronger base as compared to that of pyrrole. But the fact is that furan is a weak base as compared to that of pyrrole. Pyrrole is a stronger base. We are comparing the basicity of furan and pyrrole. Pyrrole is a stronger base as compared to that of furan. Now why? वहां पर तो हमने क्लियर कर दिया था कि भाई this pair of electron is part of the resonance. I gave an example also that I have money but my money is continuously floating in my family. So I don't have that money to give in charity. I don't have that pair of electron to give in charity. But here oxygen, one pair of electron is part of the resonance, but one pair of electron is quietly lying outside the ring. Now what is the problem? It should have been a better base. But the fact is that I will ask you a question to explain why furan is a weaker base as compared to pyrrole. I would ask you a question. Every rich man can do charity? You will say no. Then आपके पास charity करने के लिए वैसा दिल चाहिए. आपके पास भले ही पैसा हो, but there are people who will not give a penny in charity. ऐसा ही हमारा ऑक्सीजन है. Though oxygen has not one but two lone pair of electrons, but oxygen is like a कंजूस. It has a tendency. It's a very electronegative group. It holds its oxygen towards itself. जैसे कंजूस लोग करते हैं ना, पैसा होकर भी they'll keep it with themselves. वैसे ही oxygen holds electrons with it. It is highly electronegative. And because it is tightly holding the electrons, it does not have the tendency to donate electrons with ease. It will. And that is why it is a base. But it is a very weak base because oxygen has a tendency to attract electrons. It is an electronegative group. And that makes furan, though furan is having two pairs of electrons, that makes furan a very, very weak base. I hope I am clear to all of you, and in my next video I am going to explain and compare the aromaticity of furan with pyrrole. Don't forget to to subscribe this channel, keep your notification bells on. Do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much.